President, we all know what is right, although most of you hide the truth. Is it true? Yeah. People power, our power. It doesn't help us to keep the jobs, yet Uganda is dying. Wow. It doesn't help us when you are paying fees for children and they are not getting jobs. It doesn't help us to pay for students at school, yet they are not getting jobs. And I want to tell you, in a good governance, jobs will be available because you pay tax day and then. Everything you do, everyone who is holding a phone right now is paying more than 50% of tax, but you don't know where the money goes. So I think we don't have much time, but I'm so happy, and I was so happy for prison to discharge me. It was my prayer always. You have been seeing me. People of Ngora from here, I know you know me very well. We have been working together, and I promise you, in a new Uganda, we shall work together more. People power! I use my friends in Ngora. Stop fearing. If you are to die, you will die. Please go on. I love you so much. You can know. Amina Ngojo. Yarama Ngodanoi. People power, our power.
Good to see you, my brother Ampe. You're actually much younger in person. I want you to know, please translate that, Okoit. Please translate that. I want the people to understand what I'm communicating.